Hello everyone! Welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we will learn how to speak English at the doctor's clinic. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. It really helps us create more English lessons for you.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How can I help you?
I have an appointment with the doctor.
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Please have a seat. The doctor will call you soon.
Thank you.
Sarah, please come in.
Good morning.
Good morning, Sarah. How are you today?
I'm not feeling well.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a fever, a headache, and a sore throat.
Since when?
For 2 days.
Do you have a cough?
Yes, a little.
Any allergies?
No.
Have you taken any medicine?
Yes, but it didn't help.
Are you eating well?
Not really.
Are you drinking enough water?
Don't think so.
You should drink more water and get plenty of rest.
Okay, doctor. If you are learning something new, please support our channel. Subscribe now and write in the comments, "I can speak English." Also tell us which conversation you want next. Restaurant, airport, hotel, shopping, or job interview. Let's continue.
Take a deep breath.
Like this?
Yes. Your throat is a little red. Your temperature is high. You have a viral infection.
Is it serious?
No, you just need rest and medicine. Take this medicine twice a day. Drink warm water. Avoid cold drinks. Come back if you don't feel better in 3 days.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon.
Great job! Now you know how to speak English at the doctor's clinic. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment your favorite sentence from today's lesson.